Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to successfully add a secondary keypad on a Vista 15 or 20p panel. Please note this is just for the 6150, 6150 RF, or the 6160 alphanumeric keypads. This will not work or apply to a tuxedo keypad or touchscreen. So the first thing we're going to do is go to programming. In my case, it's 4112 and then 800. What you're going to do now is you're going to hit star 190 and then 1 and then 1 a second time if it's a Vista 20. We just addressed the secondary keypad prompt. So what you do now is you go to your secondary keypad, as we discussed before. You're going to hold down the 1 and the 3, and you're going to make that a 17, which is going to be pressing the 1 and then 1 7 and then star. And then you successfully just learned in a secondary keypad. Best rule of thumb for typically any system, we usually have our RF keypad be the 16 address, and then any one above that, we would make it a 17, an 18, or 19, or so forth. But again, to do this properly, you have to go in a field 190. If it's a Vista 15, you hit 1 and it beeps. On a Vista 20, you have to hit it twice, 1 1, and then it beeps. And then that just enabled address 17 in programming. Hope that answers your question, helps you out. Thanks, guys.